Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about a new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integrated services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand today's video. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. Okay, so basically same kind of report already I have published, I think 2-3 days back. But why I'm telling means, so in my previous video I have explained the issue. Or basically whenever I select top 3 means but here each product wise it's showing 4 regions. Basically in the slicer, if I select top 3 means it's showing 4. So I don't want, because I have selected only 3 means I need to show only 3, not 4. So how to overcome that issue, I'm going to explain in this video. Okay, so here, so if you see my previous video, so now we can understand what I am explaining. So basically this is the matrix, and these are two slices. One is top 3, 5, 7, 10, something like that, and this is the product name. Okay, now we'll try to understand how I overcome this issue. If the regions having the same sales, it's giving the same rank. Okay, so now what I have done, so I have created another measure. So let me try to zoom in. Yeah, so basically here, so I'm just comparing each region code and summing up. Okay, while comparing each region wise, I'm trying to sum up. Okay, how many regions are there? So what are the measure I'm taking here, I'm trying to use it in the final measure. If you see, test divided by 100. Okay, so test divided by 100. Now this time it's working fine. Okay, while calculating the rank for the region code, now it's coming fine. Even though, so each product wise, what are the slices I have selected, based on that it's coming properly. It means that if I select top 3 means it's giving 3 only. If I select top 5 means it's coming 5 only. Now I'll try to see that whether it's coming properly or not. Okay, for example, I have selected a few products out of all. So adjustable race, and so classic L West. So now we can see that I have selected 3. So each product wise top 3 regions code, and remaining we are displaying as a other regions. Okay, here also, so here also, see, now you can notice, so these 2 region codes AU as well as CA having the both same sales. Okay, so before the issue was fixed row, it is showing 4 rows. Okay, here showing 4 regions because these 2 regions having the same sales. Now due to the current solution, it's giving properly only 3 only. If I select 3 means it is showing 3, even though these 2 regions having the same sales. Remaining region sales we are displaying as a other region sales. Okay, so likewise we overcome this issue by taking other measure help. Okay, so I think you understand. So for example, so I have noticed one more issue. For example, if I select 5 minutes, it's giving fine, there's no problem on that. But if I click on 7 means it's showing nothing. Okay, where is other region sales? Of course, each product only having 7 regions. Okay, it's fine, but so like some, so no sales or whatever it is, some kind of text message or number, something like that. So we'll try to see that kind of requirement in the upcoming videos, so that we'll try to explore different kind of real-time oriented scenarios. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.